but it's orange. It's got flames on the side, and it says Early Times. Okay, which is a car club in California. Larry Wood is a member of the Early Times Car Club. That's why you see it on some of the Hot Wheels, because that's Larry's club. And of course, if Larry wants to put Early Times on something, Larry's going to do it. Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today we got something really cool. Now you guys know that there have been some fake Hot Wheels out there. Been fake Hot Wheels for a very long time. Then we got to the point where, you know, the guys over in Malaysia were making their own Hot Wheels, working in the factory, and sending them to people here in the U.S. and making everybody think that they were prototypes and they were FEPs and they were special cars, you know, made there. And of course, they're not. They are just stolen property. And they are, actually, the guys at Mattel call them the keister cars. Because the only way to get them out of the factory, well, use your imagination, all right? Because they are stolen property. The guys put them together, and, you know, because they work there, they can put whatever they want, whatever wheels they want, whatever color they want, whatever body they want, put them on a package, and bring them home. I don't know how they fit the package. Well, never mind. We're not going to talk about that. But I know that they could fit the car somewhere and get it out of there. So next time you get one, I'd smell it first. But this one, these cars here, these were sent to me from our friend Jeff Skeen, who lives in Canada. I don't remember if he found these in Canada or somebody sent them to him. But these are counterfeit Hot Wheels, and they are if you look at the package, this one does say Hot Wheels on the front of the package, and the back of the package it just says Hot Wheel, and they are from it says made in China. All right. And there are a few different languages on the back here. And the front, it just says Shark. Now, the Shark Cruiser, the Hot Wheel Shark Cruiser, this would be, you know, that casting. But you can see that these are not Hot Wheel wheels. And the car is definitely not a Hot Wheels paint job. And there is nothing on the base. Nothing. No Hot Wheels, no made in China, no nothing on the base. So, and of course, it's facing the wrong way. Hot Wheel cars usually face the other way. So here's one. It says 35 of 365. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. That's all I was able to get. And I will look for more. If you have any of these, let me know. You know, leave some comment in the comments below, and tell us where you found them, and which ones you have. And you know, I think I'd love to have a whole set of these things if I could find them. But yeah, this is definitely a counterfeit Hot Wheel. It is got a blue plastic body, got a silver plastic engine on the back there. The base is metal, but again, like I said, there's no stamping, no nothing on here for any identification. Imagine that. I wonder why. But and the wheels, they're chrome, but they're, you know, goofy look. I've never seen anything like them. So there's the Shark. This one here. Is the I got these in Protecto packs. You know, the packages really aren't that good, but still, I don't want anything to happen to them because I think they're pretty cool. I think it's neat, you know, to have something like this, and you know, not getting charged $300-400 like the other stuff. But yeah, these are, I think they were $1, $2, whatever. But yeah, I'd like to find some more. That'd be cool. This is called RD02. And it's got a, yeah, that looks like a metal upper body, the blue part. And the chassis is white plastic. And this one says made in China. That's it. The wheels are chrome and they look like PR5s maybe, but they're not. Definitely not. Got some black tampos all the way around it. Got a yellow window on it, and that is it for this one. They are this one is screwed together. Look at that. The base is it's got little Phillips head screws keeping the base on the body. So that's pretty cool. And again, this one says Hot Wheel on the logo, and this one is Hot Wheels. And this one that says Hot Wheels has got more Hot Wheel looking colors, where this one doesn't. The Hot Wheel logo on the back is just like this one here. It says made in China. Number 324. Both of them say 324 on the back. Now this one has, like I said, it was 35 with 365, and this one has no numbers on it at all on the front. What is this one here? This one also says Hot Wheel, and it says HW Off-Road on the side here. This one does too, HW Off-Road with yellow, and this one is blue. This is the Roadster, and man, it is a blue. I want to say, is that a metal body or a plastic body? Really hard to tell. Could be a plastic body, but I'm not ripping this thing open to find out. And it has a white flame on the side with yellow tampo, and that says Hot Cars on it. You can very, very lightly see it. The wheels are gold chrome. No idea what they are. Got a white interior, yellow window, and again the base is white, and it is again screwed to the body. How about the metal one? Yeah, the metal one is too. Little Phillips head screws screwing it to the body. So there is another one. This is the Rip Rod, and on the side it says HW Off-Road. These are all HW Off-Road. Look at that. This has a purple plastic body, and it has a yellow window and front grille and exhaust out the back with a white plastic base on it. So this is 3 pieces. And that says Hot Cars on the side for the tampo in a Hot Wheel flame. And the base is screwed to the body also. The wheels are black plastic, and they are OH5s. So that's definitely a knockoff right there. And the rim on it is a red chrome. What's this one here? Again, Hot Wheel Off-Road, HW Off-Road. This is the Great Gadspeed, and that is done in a silver metallic, the top body, and the interior is white plastic, goes with the white plastic base. This says made in China on the base. The wheels are chrome, look like the PR5s on the other one, and it has yellow engine and front grille on it. The tampo on the sides, believe it or not, Mac Tools. Wow, there you go. And Hot Cars in the Hot Wheel flame. And it also has Mac Tools on the card too. A totally different color car on the card than it is in the package. This one says Hot Wheel on the front and Hot Wheel on the back. So they're all the cards are the same on the back. There's a sticker that says VOITURE Hot Wheel, and that's just a sticker. There's one there. There's one there. So oh well. And this one here. Again, HW Off-Road. This is the Futurismo, and that has a light red plastic body. Interior, there's no interior. All it is a yellow window, and it has black and white tampos on it. It says Hot Cars on the back, and there is a black and white tampo on the front with the number 89. The wheels are green chrome, and the base is white plastic, and again screwed to the body. And it says Hot Wheel, and that is it. Now the only this one, we'll do this. This one also is HW Off-Road. The only one that's not HW Off-Road is the Shark, and it says Street Beasts. So, but yeah, this is the 32 Ford. It is orange, and it's so the color and the paint. I really can't tell if that's a metal or a plastic body, but it's orange. It's got flames on the side, and it says Early Times. Okay. Which is a car club in California. Larry Wood is a member of the Early Times Car Club. That's why you see it on some of the Hot Wheels, because that's Larry's club. And of course, if Larry wants to put Early Times on something, Larry's going to do it. But yeah, this has got the chrome wheels, look like the PR5s. It has a yellow transparent window, and engine and front grille. The base is white plastic. It says Made in China, and again, it is screwed together with the little tiny Phillips head screws. So all of these, except for the Shark, say HW Off-Road, and they are all different colors. Now, you guys know that whenever we have Hot Wheels, real Hot Wheels, if it says HW Off-Road, all of the side panels there are the same color. That's how you can find them really easy. If you're looking for the off-road or the street beast or the race team or whatever, they all have that one same color, and you can find all of the ones that go together. But these, no, because of course, hey, they're fake. They're counterfeit. So again, I have 6, 7 of them, thanks to our friend Jeff Skeen from Canada. Cool guy, always brings me something cool when I see him. And I thought these were really, really neat. I wanted to show them to you. So if you guys have seen these somewhere, I want to say you're probably going to find them in a little, out of the way grocery store, or a drugstore, or store like that, where somebody's really not going to pay attention. They're going to see it hanging there, and they're going to buy them. So let us know in the comments below if you have seen these, how many you have seen if you have, and where you got them. Hey, if you could send me some, I'd gladly pay you for them and pay for the shipping and all that too, because I really like to get a bunch of them if I can. All right, cool. Thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV. Appreciate it. I always love it when you guys stop by. Please share our videos. Please tell your friends. Please subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell, and you get notified when we have new videos all the time. And of course, please be kind to one another. So until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, hope to see you real soon. You guys take care of yourselves now. Bye-bye.